Hey everyone, welcome back in another video. This is Geometry Dash version 2.207 on my iOS iPhone 8 Plus. So guys, if you are looking to get the latest Geometry Dash 2.207 mode on any iOS and Android device that you may have, then just watch this video tutorial until the end. I'm gonna show you step by step how, because it's really simple. So guys, to get the Geometry Dash, it's very simple. I will show you step by step how I got it. First guys, you just need to have internet connection, Wi-Fi or 5G data, it's okay. And if you have an iPhone or iPad, that means iOS device, we need to go to settings to do an extra check. If you have an Android device, you can skip this part. So go to settings on your iOS device and scroll down. You should find the battery. The battery low power mode should be off like this. If it's on guys, just remove it. This is the only thing that you need to do on your iOS device. If you have an Android, as I said, you can skip this part. So now guys, the place to get the latest version of Geometry Dash 2.207 mode is the APK mode iOS. The version here of Geometry Dash, you can get the iOS version and the Android version APK. On the top right, just write Geometry Dash 2.207. And here it is guys. Here is the mode of Geometry Dash 2.207. You click on it. It's only 100 megabytes. The rating is 5 on 5. And it's almost 500,000 of downloads within couple of days. It's just amazing. It says that you can get now the latest version of Geometry Dash 2.207 mode for all iOS and Android devices. So just click the install button and give it a couple of seconds for Geometry Dash to download. I must tell you, the last step is very important guys. Sometimes it may ask you some extra steps depending the country that you're trying to download the Geometry Dash guys. So if you see another extra step, then you just need to follow the instruction of every instruction that you may see. And if you see some Yummy levels, those are the best because they have 100% success ratio to get Geometry Dash on your Android APK and iOS device. So guys, any feedback, let me know. Write down at the comment section. I will do my best to help you out. Goodbye.